I know you all have been waiting for this one for a long time now, but finally I will show you how to set up auto completion in NeoVim with NVim CMP. NVim CMP is a completion engine plugin for NeoVim written in Lua, and to install that you can scroll down to the setup section and then copy this part and then open your terminal. I'll increase the font size so that you can see properly, and then go to your plugins folder and then init.lua and then paste this, delete this comment, and here as you can see they are using vim plug, but we are using packer.nvim, so we are going to replace the plug keyword with use keyword. So do q to record the macro and then do 0 ce use escape j. Now do q and then @q, it will run the macro, and then again you can do @@@@@@@. Runs the previous macro. Now I'll restart NeoVim and do packer sync. Okay, now it installed all the plugins that we need. Now we are going to create one folder called cmp-config. It created a file, but we want a folder, so cmp-config/init.lua and then go to cmp-config/init.lua, and now you can scroll down, copy the part in the Lua section and then paste it, and this CMP will be in the description. All the GitHub pages, whatever I am showing you, it will be in the description. And one more thing you need to copy here, it is complete opt equals menu1 no select, and type vim.g.complete opt equals in double quotes menu1 no select comma no insert. Okay, save that, and now we also need to require that cmp-config, and there is also one error here. You need to remove these parentheses and change this your lsp server to lspconfig.html.setup. For now I am showing you HTML because it is very simple. So I'll show you in the next video some more language servers, how you can set that up, but in this video I'll just show you HTML. Now if I go to index.html for example, and if I type opening angle brackets, it should give me all the HTML tags. Yes, it gives me all the HTML tags, and I can press Ctrl N and Ctrl P to go through these, and if I press, okay, something happened there. Okay, it gives documentation here also. So the p tag, the p element represents a paragraph. Okay, it gives all the documentation and the auto completion also. And now let's set up some key bindings for the CMP auto completion. You can navigate through that, so that you can navigate through the completion with tab and shift tab. So open CMP, and then over here in the GitHub page, go to the top and go to wiki, and then example mappings, copy this these functions at the top, and then I'll just paste it here, and then at the end in the mapping section you need to copy these lines, and then I'll just paste everything here. Okay, if I restart NeoVim and go to index.html, if I press tab and shift tab, it goes through the list. Okay, now that is set up. Now we need to integrate NVim auto pairs with NVim CMP. So search for auto pairs and go to winwp/NVim auto pairs, and if you scroll down you can see one section NVim CMP. Copy this part, and then here let's go to my auto pairs config, and then replace all of this with this, whatever you copied here. and if I restart and then if I type brackets and enter, it should give me one new line and a indent. Okay, that is working. Now let's set up some language server configurations. So to add icons for errors, warnings, hints and information in the LSP, you can copy this part here. This website, it will be in the description, and the configuration whatever I am doing today, it will be in the description also. So you can go there and directly copy that. So go to your cmp config and then paste this. Now after that, one more thing, in the completion menu, if I type v, here it shows vim as text, but we can get icons also here instead of just text. So for that, there is one plugin called lsp kind-nvim, and to install that, copy the top part and then open your plugins /init.lua and then use, I'll copy that once again and then I'll paste it and do packer sync. Okay, now it has installed. Now they have given instructions to use with nvim-cmp. So copy this part and then before cmp.setup, paste that and copy this formatting section, and then at the end I can paste it. Now if I go to index.html, here I see all these properties. This icon is for properties. How do you know that? If I open my cmp config and then here with text equals true, if I set that and go to my index.html, it says the text also. Okay, now let's add some key bindings for the LSP. To do that, I have some key bindings which I made by my own. So I'll put it in the description also. Everything whatever I am typing, it will be in the description. So go to which key config /init.lua and then at the end just paste this part and I'll add some indents. Okay, now if I go back to my init.lua, if I press space and L, I can see all my LSP key bindings. I'll show you what these do in the next video. And for this video, whatever we did right now, I'll show you what all that means now, because before I did not explain anything. I just showed you how to copy paste from the GitHub pages, but now I'll explain what we did today. So first we added the cmp configuration. Complete opt is what the menu will do. If I press V, all these are there. It's for this menu, and then these are just functions which are shift tab and tab key bindings are using. So if I press something like sources, I mean S, and then if I do tab, it goes front, I mean to the next completion, and then shift tab will go to the previous completion. And I'll show you some other key bindings also. Control D, Control F. In the HTML file, index.html, if I do tab, it shows here the documentation also. If the documentation is big, and then to scroll I can do Control D. Control D will scroll up and Control F will scroll down, and Control space, it will open the completion menu. If I do Control space, it opens the completion menu, and Control E will close the completion menu. Control space Control E. Okay, now the next key binding, enter will just confirm the completion. And I think that's it for the key bindings. And sources NVMe LSP, we are getting completion from the NVMe LSP and vsnip. I'll show you vsnip in another video, but for now I can show you one snippet which I made with vsnip. Vsnip is for snippet support. I can do AFR and then it will automatically add the boilerplate for A-frame 3D. A-frame is a 3D library for HTML. So that is one snippet which I made. And buffer, so here we did not set up Lua completion, but still if I type format, then it is getting from the buffer. Okay, and the formatting is just the icons. If I press FO and then it gives me these icons, it just looks good. And here LSP config, it is the main thing which is getting the servers, language servers. So and the next thing is adding symbols here, signs for LSP. I'll show you that in the next video, but I don't think it works in HTML files right now. So let's try that. Okay, it does not work right now with HTML files, but I'll show you when we do our Lua or some other language configuration. And the next thing which we did was auto pairs configuration. Instead of using no completion engine, auto pairs is just using CMP to get the indents. And one more thing we added was which key bindings. Here if I press space L, it gives me all the LSP key bindings. And we added another plugin called LSP kind -nvim, which just gives the icons. And I think that's it for this video. If you liked the video and learned something new, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. And also if you want to get notifications whenever I post a new video, then keep the notification bell also after subscribing. That's it. Bye bye.